How to turn on commenting on a post on your Instagram account. Hello guys, today I will show you how to do this. Just watch this video until the end. Make sure that you like and subscribe in this channel. So let's start. First you will just go to Instagram and open it. And then when you open your Instagram, go here to your profile and go to the post that you wanna turn on commenting. For example, this post, as you see, I can't comment. As you see here, just the icon of share and likes. I wanna turn on commenting on this picture. I will just go here to this 3 point, click on it and click turn on commenting like this. And as you see now, I can comment on my post. And that's it. I hope this video is useful for you guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe in our channel. See you next video.